I'm Joan from Genome Sciences Education Outreach. These containers represent about 5 liters of blood, which is the amount that an average adult may have in their body. When we hear the words blood glucose levels, we're talking about the amount of glucose or sugar dissolved in all of the blood, and it's usually measured in milligrams per deciliter. A person with a well-regulated glucose level might wake up in the morning with a fasting glucose level of 80 milligrams per deciliter. Well, what does 80 milligrams per deciliter look like? It's the equivalent of about 4 grams of sugar or glucose dissolved in the entire 5 liters of blood. A person with diabetes, after eating a meal, might have their blood glucose level get up to, say, 320 milligrams per deciliter. That translates into about 16 grams of sugar or glucose, again dissolved in the entire blood supply. So let's look at another source of sugar, and that is the sugar found in drinks that we drink. So how much sugar is in a 20-ounce Coke or a 16-ounce caramel frappuccino? Well, those have about 65 grams of sugar in them each. So how does a person's body deal with all of that sugar? Where does it go? What happens if a person drinks 2 of these a day or none of these a day? How does our body balance that out? Well, the balancing act is the job of homeostasis. Our blood glucose levels need to stay within a certain range, even as we challenge our systems with large amounts of sugar. With homeostasis, internal conditions are regulated even as the external environment changes. So that means a person who drinks 4 sodas a day and a person who drinks no sodas a day need to both maintain similar blood glucose levels. Homeostasis is an important theme in biology, and we're going to look more closely at it in the next lesson. Type 2 diabetes results when the mechanisms that regulate blood glucose levels begin to fail.